Hello everyone, this is the random channel Eli here, and today I am making a video of my 42-inch Newtown ceiling fan, also known as the Hunter low profile copy. I got this fan at my Habitat Restore. I do not know when I got it, but I got this fan new in box. I do not know where the box is somewhere around here. Anyway, I'll give you a close-up. Here what the fan looks like. I'm going to start you off on low. I do not know what the year this fan was made. Somebody who knows about this, let me know in the comments. Also, I would love to give a shout out to the Vintage Harbor Breeze, etc. for subscribing to my channel. The Junk Collector. Shout out to you, buddy. Thank you for the 14 subscribers, guys. I really appreciate it. Because my channel was struggling on 6 or 8 subscribers, but 13 or 14 subscribers? Thank you, guys. I really appreciate it. I had this fan for a while. Blows really good air for a Newtown. Alright, here's high. It does have a slight wobble, but other than that, this fan is good. It's quiet. One of my friends told me that this fan was rare. Extremely rare. Or something like that. So you have everything off, completely silent. Alright, and then here's spin down. If you guys do know the Vintage Harbor Breeze, etc., he is going live at 6:30. So, if any of you guys are a friend of his or a fan of his, just want to let you know that he is going live at 6:30, which is right now. So he should be on soon. So, just want to let you know. Alright. This is the video of this 42-inch Newtown fan also known as a 100 low profile copy. And if there's any fans that you would like me to demonstrate, just go on to my ceiling fans in my collection, watch the full video, and if you see a fan that you like, come back to this video, comment, and I will do that for you. And as always, thanks for watching.